guys, forgive the change in camera. I left and brought the arm to film from above, but not the one to turn the camera straight. So we're going to have to rely on my cell phone because I don't want to delay these as far as getting them up. But here is Mr. Tigger. His tummy thing is sewn on. I kind of have him sitting at an angle. There are his ears, and got him stuffed crooked. There we go. His nose, his beady little eyes. And only thing I can say about this pattern that I'm not crazy about, that neck, even though I stuffed it and restuffed it, is just not quite as stiff as I would like. But I guess that's why his snout is made like it is, because it does help hold it up. And I did go in and tack his tail down because it was just irritating me. So that is it. That is the finished Tigger. I am going to actually put this at the beginning of the videos. So forgive me for not turning it around and showing my face. It's irritating me. There we go. But as always, there are a few disclaimers. One, Tigger is not my creation. This pattern is not my creation. Tigger belongs, I'm sure, to Disney, probably by now. And then, of course, the pattern book is a leisure arts pattern. So as a result, as always, I cannot give you the pattern. I have a lot of people contact me and ask, and I just cannot do it. It's not mine to give. I have been told that it's free online. I don't know if it is or isn't. I don't have a copy that's been like downloaded, so I can't help with that. The other thing is I am not a professional crocheter. This is just my interpretation of it. And because of those two facts combined, I have not, let me see, how can I put this as a disclaimer? I have not shown everything that there is to be shown on each, round or row. And I have also not made any effort to go back, and if I've misspoken or anything like that and didn't catch it at the time, I've not made any effort to go back and correct things like that. So this is truly just me taking you along as I crocheted, and hopes that it will help you. Is there anything else I did differently? I think that's everything. I did find the ears a little frustrating to sew on, but that is what it is. So this is, sorry about the shadow, but it's the end of the day and I have finished and I want to get these videos edited. This is Tigger, and that's what he should look like. And they've got theirs, sorry about the getting closer, sitting up a little better than I do, but you can see his face better that way. So guys, this is going to go in front of every one of the videos and at the end of the last one. So somewhere around, I don't know, hopefully the end of this week, beginning of next week, which should be like the 3rd or 4th week of February. I'm drawing a blank right now. I'll be getting these videos up for you. So thanks for watching, and thanks for tagging along for this. If you like these kind of videos, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and click the like button. It just lets me know, have a better idea of what kind of content to do. And the other thing would be, if you have a request or a suggestion for something else that I should do a crochet or knit along for, please let me know in the comments, or come find me over on Facebook. I'm over there at Home with Shara C. And I'm on Instagram, but honestly, very rarely. I just don't check it a lot. So thanks again, and let me stop rambling and get this going. So let me see what's next. Ooh, next are arms, tail, legs. And let's see what it says about the arm. The arm is worked in orange and brown. When changing colors, leave a 4-inch length at the beginning and the end. Says to stuff the arm as you work. I actually will not be doing that because mine are larger. The real question is, do we have time to do an arm today? Let's see if I adjust that light a little better. Can you see better, or is that worse? I almost feel like that's worse. Let me see what he looks like, his arms. What do you guys think? Of course, you can't answer me. Should I start an arm? What the heck? I will start it. If I can't finish it, so be it. We do need a stitch marker for this one because it is not joined in rounds. But just in case this is where I break the video, to recap, so far we have ears from the previous videos. We have all the pieces to the face and head done. Well, head, the front face anyway. Head's wrong because those will actually be attached to the head. And I'm going to grab just a piece of yarn here for stitch marker. Okay, we're going to start the arms. I'll probably split the video just before this. Okay. Alright guys, to recap, we have made the ears and all the bits of the face and joined them together. So we're going to start the arms next. With the orange, chain 2. You will need a marker because these are not joined rounds. Work 6 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I'm not going to put the marker in there yet because it's just inconvenient right now. Round 2, 2 single crochet in each one. Okay, now round 3 is going to be 20 stitches. 2 single crochet in next 2 and then single crochet in next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that was the end of round 3. Round 4 is going to have 24, 2 in the first one and then 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 6 rows worked even. This might be where you want to add your marker. So I'm going to do 3 rows counting to 72 and then 3 rows counting to 72, and that'll give me my 6. Okay. Zen, you're not going out. I wish my camera would show me how full my SD card was getting so I'd know. Okay, so that is the end of round 10. There were 24 even on each one of those, and I'm going to put a marker here just in case, because we are now getting ready to work our brown in here as well. And honestly, what I'm going to do, I think, is show you how to do this one time, maybe 2, and then it's really just a repeat of the same process over each time for the stripes. And when you get to round 33, which is the last round of the arm, you work all your single crochets and put a marker and finish off. So that's the plan. That's round 10. I'm going to show you round 11 next, and that'll be it for this. And you'll repeat it following your pattern until you get to round 33 where you end off, and then you're going to make a second one. So let's see. Single crochet, round 11, single crochet in the next 6, changing to brown. So do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half of the 6th one. Bring your brown yarn over. And join it. Pull your orange tight. Okay, and you're just going to drop your orange and let it hang there. No, oh, I'm wrong. Working over your orange I had skipped down a line in my directions. So you've joined your yarn, working over your orange just like we were doing before. Working over orange, slip stitch in the next single crochet. Got it. Single crochet in next 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Drop your orange and turn. So just let your orange hang down. Turn your work where kind of like the inside is facing you. Slip stitch in that first slip stitch. And then 10 single crochets in the brown again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the inside is still kind of facing you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slip stitch in the last one. And turn. Slip stitch in that slip stitch you just did, which is a little tight, at least for my crocheting. So I'm going to use my fingers to help it. There we go. Now do the 10 single crochets back across this brown stripe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch, changing to orange. So I'm going to actually do my slip stitch pulling that orange through. Cut your brown. I'm going to leave a honking tail there so I can tie it off. Do not turn. Single crochet in the next 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which takes us back to our marker. So you end up with a stripe that looks like this. And now you're going to work 12, 13, 14, and 15 even. You'll repeat your stripe, etc. So I think, if you've got the pattern in front of you, you can kind of figure this out from here. And this is it for the day. I'm going to try to finish this arm and make the second one. Lord willing, weather cooperating, the creek don't rise, all that good jazz. I will be back tomorrow and we will work on the tail. So if you've hung around this long, thanks for watching, and thanks for just kind of hanging out with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.